Welcome and thanks for joining us back in the studios of Links 007 TV. Well, recently I came across this video with this 11-year-old boy who goes by the name Israel. He's actually molding block independently at his age in order to sustain his education. And I said I wanted to just share this video with you just to let you see how ambitious this young child is at 11 years old. Let's go over to that video now.
Israel, how old are you? 11. Wow. This is wonderful. 11-year-old boy
Such skill here.
holding a block. Wow.
And
This is
he
wonderful.
knows exactly what
I've never
he's
seen this
doing.
before. I think this is strange to me. I've never seen this before. Israel, how long have you been doing this job? You can't remember? Wow. Wow. Wow.
Well, there you have it, young Israel, just 11 years old, molding blocks at this tender age. Now I'm told that he's doing this in order to send himself to school, and as you can see there, he's very articulate with what he's doing, and he is doing this as if he was a professional block maker. And it's the very first time I'm actually seeing a video of this with block being made using that type of equipment. I normally see blocks being made using a machine, but it's the first time I've seen something that is manually used in order to make the block. At one point in time, the individual there that was recording the video asked him how long he was doing this, and he could not even remember how long he was doing this. It just goes to show you that whatever you put your mind to in life, you can achieve it. He's just 11 years old, and look what he has ventured into doing. You have people out there that are much older than this 11-year-old, and they would not be doing what he is doing. I can tell you that this is just such an ambitious youth, and I can tell you I'm seeing him going far places right now based on this video. In a few years time, if he continues what he is doing, I can tell you that he will be owning his own block factory and producing thousands of blocks. And the way in which he do his blocks, if you can see, they are so neat. It's like it's a machine that is doing them. And I can tell you, I'm just wishing him the success, and I wish him all the best in whatever he is doing. And if I come across any more videos of him, I'll be sure to update you as it relates to this little young boy, just 11 years old. You can just drop it in the comment section though. Let me know how you felt about this video, and if you have seen any other individuals out there that is doing what he is doing at this tender age. Such an ambitious young boy. I wish him all the best. This is Links TV signing out for this one. I'm out for now. Peace out. Bless.